This afternoon, here just 2 or 3 reasons. The first one is yesterday, those of us from Kenya Kwanza were in the State House with His Excellency the President. And as a team, we agreed to withdraw the finance bill. And the thing that is remaining is formally for we the members of parliament to agree with the executive that the bill has been withdrawn. So for that reason, we don't see any reason why there will be any clamor about finance bill, because it is as dead as the dodo. The second issue of great concern is attack one Nuruddin Haji, who is the Director General of National Intelligence Service. Nuruddin Haji is a long-serving civil servant, and he's the immediate former DPP. I think as far as we are concerned, Nuruddin is a civil servant, is a member of the executive, and if the presidency, whether His Excellency the President or His Excellency the Deputy President, wish to have any discussion with him, he's just a telephone call away. By actually putting his reputation on the line on national television, then I think the career of that gentleman has been injured unfairly. So as members of the Pastoralist Parliamentary Group, we are concerned, and we are telling the executive that if any member of the executive, they are not doing their duties, the law is very clear for them to be summoned, for them to be told, put in their resignation, but they cannot be condemned on national television. The third issue that we are concerned with is the state of the country. Whereas the Gen Z, from the beginning, many of us felt that a lot of young people, because of employment, because of current economic situation, they had the right to raise their voices. But what we are gradually seeing is an attempt to subvert the state of Kenya, to bring down the state in guise of finance bill, and yet we see raw politics in all that. What we want to tell Kenyans, and we want to tell everybody who can hear that bringing down a state is very easy. But bringing back Kenya, once it falls, then it is very difficult. For those of us who in the past we were working in government, in the military, I have been to Somalia, to Angola, to Mozambique, to Sierra Leone, and we have seen it firsthand, how states are brought down, and to recover it, to start functioning in normalcy, becomes very difficult. So for that reason, while we can clamor for the political space or for good democratic dispensation, attempting to bring down a state will affect all of us. And that is why we must be very careful indeed. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen of the press. My name is Honorable Hussein Weitan, the MP for Mandera Town, or Mandera East. I am one of the strongest supporters of the Gen Zs. I voted no courageously, without fear. But